The peninsular plateau of India is flanked by narrow coastal plains of varied width from north to south, known as West Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains. Those coastal plains differ from each other. They were formed by the depositional action of the rivers and the erosional and depositional action of the sea waves. Those coastal plains have evidence of submergence and emergence. The Indian coastal plains may be subdivided into the following three divisions. Gujarat coastal plains covers most of the states of Gujarat. It is formed by alluvial deposits of the Sabarmati, Mahi, Luli and numerous lying parallel consequent streams. Part of this plain is the product of the depositional activity of the winds and recession of the seas. It contains the Gondwana rocks resting over the marine Jurassic rocks and capped by the lower Cretaceous beds. The run of Kutch is an extensive tract of naked tidal mud flats transected by abundant and live creeks. The salt in the soil makes this low-lying marshy land almost barren and unproductive. The West Coastal Plain lies between the Sahyadris and the Arabian Sea. It is about 1,400 km long and 10 to 80 km wide. The Western Coastal Plain is characterized mainly by the sandy beach, coastal sand dunes, mud flats, lagoons, alluvial tracts along rivers, laterite platforms, and residual hills. The northern part of the West Coastal Plain is known as the Konkan Plain. The southern part is known as the Malabar Coast. Malabar Coast is characterized by sand dunes. Along the coast, there are numerous shallow lagoons and backwaters called Koyal. Bhimbanath and Ashtamati are the important lagoons of the Malabar coast. The coast shows evidence of the emergence. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal and stretches along the coast of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Those plains are formed by the alluvial deposition of the littoral zone comprising some of the largest deltas in the world. This coastal plains has a straight line with well-defined beaches of sand. All along the coast, there are several sandbars, generally in the front of the river mouth. Some important lagoons located along the eastern coast are Chilka, Kuleru, Pulikar, etc. India has a total 615 islands, of which 572 lie in the Bay of Bengal and 43 in the Arabian Sea. The main island of the Bay of Bengal is Andaman and Nicobar Group. The Andaman and Nicobar Island are separated by 10-degree channel. The southernmost point of the Great Nicobar Island is Indira Point. The Andaman and Nicobar Island has a warm tropical climate all year round with two monsoons. The island is thickly forested and have a rich marine life among reefs. The barren island in the Andaman has an active volcano. In Bay of Bengal, there are two volcanic islands, Barren and Narkanda. The island has formed by the extension of the tertiary mountain chain of Arkainama. The Nicobar group of islands comprise 18 islands. Some of the well-known surviving tribes of the Andaman and Nicobar are Ongas, Jarwas and Sentinels. There are 43 islands in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Island is separated from the Maldives Island by 8-degree channel. Hills and streams are absent in those islands. There are numerous islands in the delta region of Ganga and Gulf of Mannar. Sriharikota, Diu, Aliabad,
Wheeler, Newmore, Gangasagar, etc. are famous. Many of those islands are inhabited and administered by adjacent states.